With Michigan and Fuller, the light out there, along with light out over 96 on Fuller Avenue. I'm Rob Weston, Fox 17 Traffic.
Sponsored by by Verizon. Get answers before you have questions. With vehicle diagnostics and more, by Verizon is the technology that connects you to your car. Learn more at hum.com. Watch grown-ups wolf down dogs at the Grand Coney on Michigan Street's Hot Dog Eating Challenge, Saturday, July 8th at 2. It's firefighters versus police. At 2:30, it's Team Gravy versus Team Zane. Watch as they gorge to win 352 Grand Coney dogs a year. Buy your Save and Play golf cart online today for only $69 and take advantage of these beautiful summer days. The Save and Play golf cart lets you play 18 holes of golf with cart at Arrowhead and Lowell, Stormy Creek, Kenwood, Blue Pines in Wyoming, plus Forest Lake and Saranac, Pigeon Creek in West Allen, and Falcon Head in Big Rapids for $69. Go to WBBL.com and click on the Sweet Deals tab. That's WBBL.com and grab a Save and Play golf cart today.
Hear that? That's the sound of Michigan's pristine waters, forests, and wildlife. Natural resources that have helped shape our outdoor heritage. Carefully managed so that moments like these
Mom, look, a deer.
continue to be here for generations. Learn how dedicated people manage Michigan's outdoors together at hereformioutdoors.org.
Sponsored by the Michigan Association of Broadcasters and Michigan Wildlife Council.
What's important to you in a financial advisor?
You truly do get unbiased advice at an independent firm.
Call or go online to mosaicwealthmanagement.com.
Find someone who speaks your language.
Let's look past the headlines. Let's build a portfolio around you. If you keep doing what you've been doing, you may keep getting the same results. Call 949-0900 for Mosaic Wealth Management in Grand Rapids.
Securities offered to LPL Financial, member FINRA SIPC, Mosaic Wealth Management.
Providing Midwest values with a global perspective.
Here's what's happening on the huge show that airs weekdays at 3 right here on 107.3 NGR. Coming up on Tuesday night, July 11, you can join me for the Major League Baseball All-Star Game with Tommy Bryan and Grand Steakhouse and Grill on South Division near 44th Street. Then on Thursday, July 13th, I'll be broadcasting live from Fifth Third Ballpark with the Tigers Class A farm affiliate, the West Michigan Whitecaps. And then on July 20th, I'll be back at Fifth Third Ballpark, 7 p.m. It's the annual Miller Lite Field of Dreams baseball game. The Huge Show team taking on the Eric Zane Show team. Admission is free. Plan on that Thursday night, July 20th at 7 p.m. And then coming up on Friday, July 21st, I'll be broadcasting live from Maple Hill Golf in Granville. And remember, 24/7. Hear our podcast and stay in touch with the show at thehugeshow.net.
Hey, this is Jamie Westmark from the Keeping Your Money Show, and if you are not listening to us every Saturday at 9 a.m. right here on BBL, you are missing out on the longest-running financial program right here in West Michigan. Tune in every Saturday at 9 a.m. to the Keeping Your Money Show right here on 107.3 WBBL.
Registered representatives offer securities through Securities America Inc., member FINRA SIPC. Financial advisors offer advisory services through Securities America Advisors Inc. Forest Hills Financial Inc. and Securities America are separate entities.
If you're an experienced runner or looking to do your first 5K, join Metro Health for the annual Metro Wave 5K, 10K, and Family Fun Run. The family-friendly event happens at 6 p.m. on Thursday, July 27th. You can walk or run the course, which begins in front of Metro Health Hospital. The evening kicks off with special races just for kids. Plus, there'll be prizes, food, and fun for all. Sign up today by visiting metrohealth.net/5K. That's metrohealth.net/5K. Metro Health, your health, our passion.
AutoZone presents Keeping Cool. When the AC's on the fritz, your commute becomes a hot mess. Luckily, AutoZone carries AC Pro refrigerant that helps restore cold air in only 10 minutes. Now get 20 ounces of AC Pro refrigerant with hose and gauge for just $34.99 after a $5 mail-in rebate. So visit your local AutoZone. With over 5,000 locations, the right supplies and good advice are just around the corner. Let's get you what you need. See store.